welcome to our construction progress report for September 2023 at Harmonia Residence, Airport West. My name is Surveyor Mushofa Yahaya. Come with me, let's go speak with our project manager for our update. Hello, Engineer Tef.
Hello, Mushofa, how are you?
I'm doing well by God's grace. Thank you. Can you please walk us through what's happening here on site?
Yes. As you see, now we working for the P1, basement 1, okay? The retaining wall and the pillar, okay? And the ramp also from P1 to the main street. This is working now. So the expected date to finish this one, all basement 1 cover slab is the 10th of the October. Okay. So after 1 week from now, we will finish all the retaining wall and the pillar, casting and everything. Okay. So start for the formwork of the P1 cover slab, and we cast it.
So in the next month when we come, what should we expect to see?
The next month, I expect it to start for the ground floor, pillars, and the slab of the ground floor.
Oh, okay. Yeah. All right. Sounds good. Thank you so much for your time.
Welcome.
And we'll see you in the next update.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much for watching. We look forward to bringing you more of these updates. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, and follow all of our social media handles. So we see you again in our next report. It's bye for now.